Now that we have our first image pair lined up, notice that there are some control points that the software picked. If you look at these, they're not very good. It's not reliable to work with control points. They're in something like clouds or blue sky or fuzzy places on the photo. So we have to pick our own. I'm going to do that by basically selecting and deleting all these points, and I'll do that by having it selected and using the delete key, delete, 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 delete. They're being renumbered as there are a few of them in there. And we're almost finished. Now there are no control points on this panorama. Now with a clean slate, we're going to start picking our own control points. I'm going to start off by selecting the tip of the rock here with the tip of the same rock here. And I'll click on this one. And I can fine tune the position of the focus if I want. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to click on the same location over here. And it looks like it matched it pretty good if I select it down here. You see both of them. And we can clear that showing those little magnifiers by clicking anywhere down here. To make this easier, by the way, you can change the size of these images. I'm going to go from fit to window to 100%. Now I can scroll horizontally and vertically. And to make a match, you want to start off with the two butted side by side, which means the left image is scrolled to the right image is scrolled to the left. And what I'm looking for now is more commonality between the two images. I can see that another good location is back here in the background, this little spot on this patch of bare ground. It's also here. So I'm going to click on that, and the software automatically found the corresponding spot on the other side. Now, it doesn't always do it automatically, but in this case, it worked. I'll clear it by clicking down here. So now we have two control points on both images. Let's pick another pair. I'm going to choose this location here. They stand out, good contrast. I'll click it. It's telling me it's confused a little bit. I'll clear this. Looks like it actually found it. That looks good. So I'll select it by saying add, or I can use the A shortcut key. I'll use the A shortcut key. And I'll clear those by clicking down the bottom. Off camera, I'm going to add some more control points. Okay, that should be enough. Let's go back to fit to window. Now you can see the control points that I picked on the left and right side. You can, again, review them by selecting one down here. And then you'll see in the pop-ups how their zoom values look. If I go to the next one, you can quickly get a feel for whether or not you got a good pick. Clear by going down here. Having done that, we'll go back to the interface, simple. Once again, we're going to realign, see what happens. And we've got a better fit now in the first two images. It's hard to tell from this, but if we were to hide those two images and just burn this panorama, you would see that it looks better now than it would have if we tried it right out. You would repeat the process with control points for the next image pair. Here we did 8 and 9. Now we'll go from 9 to 10. We have to clear the automatic ones and replace it with manual ones.